What's up, guys? Kid Martin 95 here. So, in today's episode, we're going to talk about Ethereum. So let's get to it. Let's go over to their website. So here we are at ethereum.org, blockchain app platform. So pretty sweet website. So for those of you who don't know what Ethereum is, this is basically what it is. Build unstoppable applications. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that runs smart contract applications that run exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. These apps run on a custom-built blockchain and enormously powerful shared global infrastructure that can move value around and represent the ownership of property. So basically what it is, it's another operating system just like Android or iOS that allows you to build applications, send money, basically anything of value. If you keep scrolling down, here we have a smart money smart wallet, which is basically the Ethereum wallet for Mac OS if you have a Mac. Keep scrolling down. Here you're allowed to design your own cryptocurrency. That's pretty cool. You're allowed to create a tradable digital token that can be used as a currency. Might have to look into that. Didn't actually see that the first time I scrolled through this site. Kickstart a project with trustless crowd sale. Let's see, what else? Build a new kind of decentralized application. So basically you're able to build apps off of this. Let's see what the market cap looks like. So today the market cap for the cryptocurrency is just about 196 billion is what we're looking at. Bitcoin has 60%, or not, yeah, Bitcoin has 60% dominance. Down 3% for the day, however. Ethereum up 2%, Bitcoin Cash up 5%, or down 5%, sorry. Ripple up almost 1.5%. Litecoin almost up 3%, and Dash almost up 7%. I'm actually not surprised, really. There is a hard fork coming up in about 10 days, I believe. So I expect Bitcoin to drop a little bit. If it's anything like the previous hard fork, and we see price decline the day before, I'm expecting the same thing, but I'm actually expecting, here, let's go over the chart. When it happened, October 24th, 25th, I believe. Let's see, so this is the 24th, as you can see, the day before, and we fell from 5,914 down to 5,604, and then the day of we continued to 5,400. Since then it's been the bulls. Well, it's been the bulls ever always, but speaking of the day of the hard fork, so I'm expecting this Bitcoin to actually drop and come down here and find support before or I mean up until the hard fork, and I feel like the hard fork's either gonna push it further down, maybe up to the 5,000 area for support, or give it a hard push towards the upside. But what I'm expecting in the meantime, while from here up into the hard fork, is I'm expecting altcoins to go up. So that'd be if anything but Bitcoin, or Bitcoin related. And as you can tell, let's switch over to BTC here. Bitcoin 0%, Ethereum 6%, Bitcoin Cash down almost 2%, Ripple, Litecoin, Dash, Neo all up, NEM down barely down, Monero almost up 23%. Wow. Ethereum Classic up 10%. So basically all the altcoins are up. Lumens, yes, I freaking bought that one about a couple days ago. I'm stoked about that. So that's what it's looking like at the market. Let's switch over to Ethereum. Ethereum currently at 302, up 2%. Market cap 28 billion. Worth about 4 million bitcoins. Circulating supply 95 million. Yikes. That's a lot. Let's compare that to the others. Wow. Ethereum has 95 million circulating supply. Bitcoin only 16 million. Bitcoin Cash 16 million. Ripple, oh my goodness. Litecoin 53 million. Dash only 7 million. I'm gonna have to look into Dash. Dash looks pretty interesting. So let's look over at the charts. Let's look at Ethereum. Let's look at what it's looking like. So this is Ethereum to the dollar, the daily. Let's see, what do we have? Looks like we have a double top here. 1, 2. Let's draw that as a resistance. I also see a nice solid uptrend. 1, 2, 3. Let's move it over like this. Looks like we have a nice ascending triangle. Here, let's make it nice and clean for you guys. So we went from here to here to here to here to here. That looks like a nice triangle to me. If you don't see it, let me. Sloppy, but it's, you know, it's a triangle more or less. So let's get this out of the way. Oops. So we can actually see the price. So we see an ascending triangle, nice solid uptrend. We have a low, higher low, come back up, down, test, higher low. Looks like we have a double bottom here at 277. Let's see if we can get a closer look. Bottom, this looks nice to me. Expecting some bullish momentum. Let's see. Expecting it to touch this. Come back up at least to touch. Oops. Expecting it to come test this resistance again. And expecting it to come test the top of the ascending triangle. So this is what we're looking at on the daily so far. We have support at 280, 270. We're stuck in an ascending triangle. I'm expecting Ethereum to test the top of the ascending, so expect to touch 400 at the bare minimum. I feel like we will test the top of the ascending triangle. I actually believe we will break through it and set a new high. When, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe it will be pretty soon, probably by the end of November. Definitely before New Year. As you can see, we have a nice double bottom here. And this would be our minor resistance. And this would be our support. As you can tell, we have a new higher low. Expecting, if this closes above this low, expect it to hit make it run to 400. Or I mean, not 400, but at least to the top of the ascending triangle, which would, yeah, basically be 400. So my projection is we test 400, definitely. Stuck in an ascending triangle, so I'm expecting it to test the top of the ascending triangle. I'm very bullish on Ethereum. I believe it has a very bright future. So I'm actually expecting it to almost double and make its way to 750 by the end of 2018. So not 2017, but by the end of 2018, I believe Ethereum will be at 750 if not more. But that's pretty much it, guys. This is KidMart95. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what my next video should be. Probably going to be Dash from what it looks like. It looks like a pretty interesting coin. It's got a very small circulating supply that just caught my attention. I didn't notice before. So yeah, thanks for watching, and talk to you guys soon. Take it easy. Bye, guys.